We can all agree that healthcare is on the precipice of change and nursing on the verge of something very special. As a membership of leaders, we've crafted an agenda that positions AO&E for this time of great opportunity. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to partner with many of you on AO&E committees as we've designed models for the future of patient care delivery and planned the programs for our annual AO&E meetings. I'm especially proud of the work that we've done in partnering to create our AO&E strategic plan. There is great alignment between the strategy that guides AO&E and the strategic plan for nursing at Northwestern Memorial Hospital. Advancing these strategies is what I do each and every day. It's what I believe in. It's what I'm passionate about. On this website, I'm sharing the video we put together for our magnet redesignation this past year. I'm hoping that you'll feel the pride of our nurses at Northwestern Memorial and learn a little bit about my leadership vision, which is to constantly strive to celebrate nursing in a way that engages and inspires those who work with me. I'm a candidate who comes to you with years of leadership experience and broad representation from states, hospitals, and academic institutions, board and committee memberships, and insights from national and international advocacy opportunities. I would be honored to steward this organization in partnership with you to advance the AO&E agenda. Please take a few moments to help me understand what's important to you by sharing your thoughts on the feedback section of this website. I'm Michelle Janney. I'm running for President-elect of AO&E, and I ask for your vote.